Optimum Mode error. This error pops up when the resolution or refresh rate settings on your computer don't match what your Samsung monitor can handle. It can also be due to outdated drivers or faulty cables. Start with adjusting the resolution and refresh rate. On Windows, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. On macOS, head over to System Preferences and then Displays. Choose the recommended resolution for your monitor, which is usually 1920 x 1080 for most Samsung models. Don't forget to check the refresh rate as well. In the Advanced Display Settings, make sure it's set to 60 Hz or 75 Hz, depending on your monitor's specifications. Click Apply and see if the error goes away. If adjusting the resolution doesn't work, the next step is to update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, find your display adapter, right-click, and select Update Driver. You can also download the latest drivers directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's websites. After updating, restart your computer. Sometimes, the issue can be as simple as a loose or damaged cable. Make sure all cables are securely connected and check for any visible damage. If you have extra cables or ports, try using them to see if the error persists. If you're still helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.